80% parenthesis 30 plus 40 divided 4 times 5 parenthesis closed. How do you solve it? So this is a question of order of operation. Here 80% we can write it as 80 upon 100 also, or we can just leave it like 80% also. Now as per order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, so we will have to solve this part first. After parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Remember that within parenthesis also we have to follow this order. Now as per this order, addition comes after multiplication, division. So this we cannot do first. Now here we have division and then multiplication. If you just follow PEMDAS, it says M first, multiplication, then division. So if you do this part first, then it is 30 plus 40 divided 4 times 5 is 20. Now after multiplication, division, so it is 80%, then 30 plus 40 divided by 20 is 2, or 80%, then add 30 plus 2 is 32. Once the operation is done, we remove the parenthesis, and when we remove the parenthesis, here it is multiplication. So we can write it as 80% times 32, or 80 upon 100 times 32. We can cancel this 0 and this 0. 32 times 8 is 256 upon 10. We can write it as decimal number, so it is 25.6. Then we are getting 25.6 as our answer. So when we follow this order, PEMDAS, first answer is 25.6. But there is a catch. In PEMDAS, or you follow PEMDAS, whichever rule you follow, PEMDAS is also the same rule, parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In this, D is written first, that means division is written first, and then we have multiplication. So if you follow PEMDAS, then you will have a different answer because you will do division first. But there cannot be two answers of the same question. The catch is that this multiplication, division, they have equal priority, and therefore we group them together and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Now remember that this left to right rule just applies for division and multiplication and not for addition. Addition will always come after division, multiplication, addition or subtraction. These two will always come after multiplication and division. So this left to right rule does not start from here. This will be done later on when we complete the operation of division and multiplication. So if we write 80% as 80 upon 100, then 30 plus, from left to right we have division first, so we'll do division first. 40 divided by 4 is 10, then times 5. Now we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication has priority over addition, so again 80 upon 100, then times 30 plus 10 times 5 is 50, or 80 upon 100. 30 plus 50 is 80, so times 80. Now we can cancel these two zeros. 8 times 8 is 64. So we are getting 64 as our answer, while previously the answer was 25.6. But this is not the correct answer because we have to follow the left to right rule. And if you follow left to right rule, you will have to do division first. In PEMDAS, you will get the correct answer of 64, not because the rule PEMDAS is correct, it's because coincidentally D is written first and in the question division is written first. So either you can follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS. Stick to the rule of left to right for division and multiplication whenever they are given together, so that you don't have to choose which operation to do first. You just look which operation comes first from left to right and you do that first. So correct answer will be 64. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.